Good morning, YouTube. Yeah, on That's One-on-One here. Today is Sunday, January 16th. I think it's the 16th. And we're under a winter storm warning. And I want to do a video on what the snow is going to do to this thing. We're supposed to get 4 to 8 inches of wet snow. Now, everybody knows that wet snow is extremely heavy. So we're going to see if my design worked on how I built this. It should, with our center post here, it should take the majority of our snow load. We should be fine, and the way I've got my purlins run, everything should be good. Well, at least I'm hoping it is. We've already had 11 inches of dry snow on it last weekend, but we're going to see what happens here. Yeah, you can see the greenhouse has collected some stuff over the winter. We've got grass coming through that we need to get rid of in the spring. I'm not too worried about that because we're going to probably do some hydro beds in here. And we'll get all this cleaned up. It's no big deal. Anybody that's got a greenhouse, you'll know they tend to catch crap through the winter when you're not using it. But I'll keep you guys updated. I'll come back periodically and we'll look at this and see what's happening. So far, this plastic, it's just got ice on it. You can probably see. It's freezing rain at the moment. We're supposed to get like a 1/4 inch of freezing rain, which I add some weight to it as well. But I'll be back, guys. We'll see what happens. Alright, guys and girls, I'm back. For you, it's been a few seconds, but for me, it's been a while. And as you can see, we have snow now. Got the lights on in the greenhouse so you can see what's going on. We got about 3 inches of snow out here so far. It's cold. Greenhouse is lit up, looking nice. You can see the snow on her right there. Not sagging too bad. Probably won't sag no more than that. Like I said, I built this thing for this in mind. We'll go inside and have a look real quick. See how deep it is. It's a big old wet snow. Yeah. See the plastic there, you can tell it's got a little bit of weight on it. You can tell it sounds different in here too. All snow covered. I believe she's gonna be just fine. We may get 6-7 inches, but like I said, I don't think this will change much. The plastic's not gonna sag any more than that. It's tight. You can tell it's stretched pretty tight there. It's good. Let me clean this water off on you guys. There we go. Water off. Gives you an idea how deep it is on that side of that door there. That's the side where the wind was blowing in, blowing snow and it stuck to the side. Big wet snow. But anyway, guys, that's probably all I'm going to do tonight. It's too cold for me to be running in and out. I don't want to get sick. Gotta work. You know how that is. But I'll probably come out here and maybe do a separate video in the morning. Don't know if I want to add it to this or not. But yeah, check her out. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, see you guys. Alright guys, we're back out here again. It's 9:30 at night. And I've got one of the lights on in here just so I can peek out here and see what's going on from the inside. Once we get in, we'll turn the other ones on. You can see it's a lot deeper too. Let's go out here and see what the greenhouse looks like. We turn the big light on. Here we are. You can see the snow piled up on it. Let me clean you guys off real quick. Yeah, you can clearly see the snow now. The whole greenhouse is covered. It's pretty thick. I'm going to say there's probably 5 inches of snow on top of it, maybe 6. Big heavy wet snow. So far it looks like she's doing good. Like I said, the way I built this, it shouldn't sag much at all, if any. I don't think it will. This center post here is supporting a lot of the weight, and everything's tied in really good, so it should be fine. I don't know if I'll do any more of these videos tonight. I may. But here, let's check this out real quick. You can see the snow fall. Watch. She's got quite a bit on her. Let's take a look from the outside again, from the side. Beautiful snow. Sticking everything. Oh yeah, you can see she's covered really good now. Pretty heavy snow on her. Yeah, it'll be fine. I'm not worried about it too much. It's supposed to snow like this till morning. We'll probably have, I don't know, 8, 9, or 10 inches or so. Be my guess. She's coming down now. Gonna snow a while, guys and girls. But anyway, I just wanted to share this greenhouse build with you. You know, people have been asking some questions, and I've had some durability questions of how durable it is, and as you can see, I don't think the snow is going to affect it at all. Now, would it hold up to 3 foot of wet snow? I don't know. It'd be a good test, and I hope we don't get 3 foot of snow. But anyways, I think I'm done. I may do a video tomorrow separately showing the outside of it, how much snow is on it. May add it to this, may not, like always. If you see me here in a few seconds, then you know I came back. If the video ends, then you know that's it. But I appreciate you guys watching. Y'all have a good evening.